In today's video, I'll show you how to use connected board and mirror columns in monday.com. First, open your browser and go to the official monday.com website, then make sure to log in to your account. Once you are on the home page, choose your board from the left side panel. Next, click the plus sign beside the last column, then select Connect Boards. Click Select Boards, then choose from your recently used boards and check Set as Two-Way Connection. This ensures that the connection is reflected on both boards. After that, click Connect Boards. Next, click Create a Mirror Column. Then choose which columns you want to mirror from the connected board. Click anywhere on the screen to apply the changes. You will now see the connected board column and the mirror column appear on your board. And that's it! That's how you use connected board and mirror columns in monday.com.